Hello from Slovenia again. I still have some paints mixed with Pentart silicone oil that I used in the last two videos, and today I will just try to do a swipe with the same colors, and hopefully I will have less busy thing, or how can I say. So I will start with some yellow here in the middle. And permanent orange. This is just, these are my regular paints, you know, with my regular pouring medium, and all the paints are mixed the same. So it's not a bloom or something, but I will just try to do a swipe like you maybe see with the artist with bloom technique, and I will swipe with my navy blue. So this one is thinner than other paints, obviously. Okay, and I will grab my plastic, just a plastic, and try to do a nice swipe if I can. Probably I will tilt it or spin it afterwards. So let's see. And then I will roll some marble through. No! My spin table just spinned. I didn't mean to do that. So I just pour some of this swiping color here. And here, and then I will torch, you know, this to get some cells, because we have silicone, just to cover this part. Hopefully I will be able to spin this off. Hopefully. I will definitely spin this, because before I will even tilt, because I have a lot of paint in the middle, I think. Okay, I will put these colors aside. And give it one spin. Just to spread this a little bit. Okay. And let's torch this. Not a lot happening here in the middle. See? Because there is a lot of that blue paint still. So what I'm thinking to do is just add a little bit of paint here and do another swipe. I will just go like, you know, in a kind of just weird way, or how can I say? Just drizzle some paint on. Because I have to use it. Let's do some white too. Whoop, didn't lean that much. Turquoise. And I will grab a paper towel this time. I don't know, I'm more comfortable with paper towels than this plastic. Okay. Let's pour this blue here. Okay. Let me grab my paper towel and swipe this. Okay. Let's see what will happen now. Okay. Now I'm thinking. I will just try to do, you know, bring some of these colors with the marble roll, and in the same time I don't like this part, so let's do it. Roll. Let's grab another one. To go from here maybe. Through there. Okay, and then I will tilt it a little more, you know, because I want to bring a little more of that thing out, more of the cells, maybe stretch them out a little bit. Okay, let's try to do one quick spin. What do you think? See what will happen. I'm quite happy that I managed to keep some negative space here anyway. Let me just watch here just a little bit, maybe. I think that I'm done. I will just add some this navy here. Where I don't have paint, and I will call this one done. The colors are really a little, I don't know, almost dark looking, I will say, but I still like it. Maybe I should bring it a little more down just to open those cells there a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it looks a little busy again, but hopefully, because this will dry really like dark blue, that it will look quite beautiful. I think so. I really love this part here, really do. Maybe the blue, navy blue for swiping color wasn't such a great idea, but that's what we have. And I will say that I'm happy anyway. I like it. Different, but I like it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.